Hi, welcome to Gas Software. In this tutorial, we'll see how to create item masters. Items are basically product. In this business, there are two type of products. One is LPG products and other are beyond LPG or non-LPG products. Well, to create these products, we go in option masters, option items, click new button, but before that I will click modify button and show you what are the products which are already created by default, that is 14 kg, 19 kg empty, 5 kg, 5 kg empty, blue book, hot plate, MRP 197 by lighter, regulator, Suraksha hose, Ujjwala. All these products are already created. Now there could be some product, say for example hot plate MRP 1975, and you would like to change it to 1900. In that case, you have to just double click on this particular item and change it to 1900. Also change the rate to 1900 and click save. So now you will find that the item from hot plate MRP 1975 is changed to hot plate MRP 1900. This is how we edit or modify a product. But if we want to add a new product, let's say a new hot plate, then we click new button, enter the name of the product, say for example Green Chef 2 burner. We enter the purchase price here, let's say 1100 rupees. Also enter the sale price 2200 rupees. You will find the HSN number on the purchase invoice. Please put that HSN number, whatever it is. IGST we select as 18% so that the CGST and SGST automatically appears as 9%. In go down, you select shop because this item is generally kept in a shop. Now in any item master, there are two portions. The upper portions which we have just now filled all the details, and the lower portion is the opening stock details. Now let's say for example we are starting this particular software from 1st April 2021, then we are already having the stock of Green Chef 2 burner. So we will be entering that stock. Let's say we will select shop in place of go down, and let's say we are having 25 numbers of Green Chef. So we will be entering that 25 numbers. Now we have to enter the rate prior to 1st April 2021, that is whenever we have bought this particular item Green Chef 2 burner. I am assuming that the price has not changed and the same price is prevailing even now, and so I put the rate as 1100 rupees and then say save. Yes to save the record, and let me go to modify button and check this item Green Chef 2 burner is created over here. I will show you one more example of a new item. Let's say we are also creating an item that is trolley, where the purchase rate, let's say, is 120 rupees and the sale rate is 240 rupees. HSN you will get from the purchase invoice, so please put the HSN whatever it is. The applicable GST in this case is 18%, so select 18% in IGST. Automatically CGST and SGST will be selected as 9%, and go down you select shop. Opening stock, once again we have to add under shop because trolley is always maintained in shop. Let's say there are 50 trolleys starting on the day from which we have started this package. This opening stock details, that is quantity and the rate, will never be changed in future. We are entering it only once when we start, when we have begun this the use of this particular software. Now rate, you have to put rate before 1st of April, that is the date on which we are starting this package. Whenever we have brought, and let's say our purchase price is 120, so I am putting the rate as 120 and click save. This item is also saved. To check whether this item is saved, I go to modify button, click it and check yes, trolley is saved here. Well, this brings us to the end of this tutorial. Hope you have understood it, and in case of any query you can always call back to customer care. Thanks for watching.